A digital front office can have a transformational impact in an organization in two ways. First, by improving competitive or market position. Delivering the all-digital experience that more and more customers seek enables organizations to leverage the digital channel to attract new customers, increase the loyalty, satisfaction, and retention rates of existing customers, and generate more revenue. It also provides an opportunity for improving operating performance. Eliminating non-digital activities from customer-facing business processes has been shown to significantly decrease operating costs, increase data quality, and provide opportunities to reduce cycle times. What I'd like to do today is look at some of the real-world cost examples developed by the UK government. The United Kingdom government has put together a fascinating site that details the volume of transactions that they provide their constituents, their citizens, and many times the costs associated with providing those transactions. This is the URL up here at the top of the page, transactionexplorer.cabinetoffice.gov.uk. I encourage you to go there yourself and check out the site. And as you drill down on the site, it will show you graphically the amount of transactions each department is responsible for. So here we can see that HM Revenue and Customs, which is their tax office, does almost 1 trillion transactions, whereas the Department for Transportation up here in green does about 100 million transactions per year. And what's even more fascinating is they provide spreadsheets that drill down, that provide you the transactions per year, the cost per transaction, and then you can calculate the cost per year for each of those transactions. So here we can see there's a transaction for the Department of Work and Pensions that's delivered over 23 million times per year. It costs them $53 a transaction to deliver that transaction in the analog channel, and it results in over $1 billion of annual costs. And you can go right on down and you can look at these transactions run from a high of, it looks like, $73 down to a low of $1.37, and the transaction volumes differ. But you can see that these costs are astronomically high. And so if you look at these costs and you say, I'm going to move these to the digital channel, and you assume you're not going to get 100% effectiveness, let's say you're going to get 75% or 50%, then if we look at that same transaction that was costing over $1 billion a year, if you were able to drive 75% of those to a complete digital channel where there's no missing information and no errors, that would return $925 million annually to the organization. If you only got 50% of those transactions across to the digital channel, it's still a $600 million annual savings. And this is what Forrester calls, when they look at the usability of websites, how assisted transactions are so expensive that even small moves of analog transactions to the digital channel pay back in big results.